Okay, so we spoke about loading a washing machine and what is a full load. And basically, when you load your clothes for a normal wash, you should have room to put your hands just above the clothes to the back of the drum. That would be classed as a full load. So I normally tell people 2/3 of the way up the door rubber. But what does that actually weigh? This is a 9 kilo machine, and we've got what we would consider a full load. So let's just see. Obviously these clothes are dry, but they're dry when you put them in. So I think you'll be quite surprised that that amount of clothes in a 9 kilo machine will actually weigh far less than you expect. So that's the whole load now out of the machine. And let's just weigh it to see what it weighs. So when it goes in, it's dry. These clothes are dry. And basically, that washing machine full load on a 9 kilo machine weighs just under 5 kilograms. And that is the honest truth. You can't go by weight. It's all about what you put in the machine. And just remember, if you don't want to ruin the bearings, and if you don't want to have a wash that's not properly cleaned, you need to be filling the drum about 2/3 of the way up. I was probably slightly overloaded. We could have done without this hand towel and we would have probably been 100%. But that, in all honesty, is what you need to know when you're loading any washing machine.